Hey you guys, today I am making Arabian fish. It is quite interesting to trace the origin and journey of a dish. This dish I had tasted years and years ago when I visited Mecca, and I still remember this, it was that tasty. So here you go, I have traced and tried. I hope you will enjoy it. What I like most about this dish is that it is very simple to prepare, requires very few ingredients. So let's get started. Since the fish guide took care of the gutting and descaling, all I did to the fish was rinse, pat dry with paper towel, make 2 to 3 slits on both sides of the fish so that the inside would cook evenly. Placing the red snapper fish in a casserole. Now add 10 crushed garlic cloves. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt on fish. Rub it nicely. To this I am adding boiling hot water. Marinate this for an hour. And now I am going to make spice mix. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, a half teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix this nicely and keep aside. Remove the fish from the marinade and pat it dry. I heated a large pan with enough refined oil to cover the fish. And now I am going to fry the fish until it looked crispy and cooked. Then place the fried and crispy fish on a serving plate. And now I am going to sprinkle the spice mix on both the sides of the fish. Drizzle some drops of lemon and serve hot. I served it with steamed rice and dal. It tasted wonderful. The skin was crispy, the flesh was very tender, and I could taste the spices and lemon. It was just perfect. I enjoyed this dish so much, hope you will like it too. Give a big thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. Do tag us on our Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.